Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend with DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've started using DoorDash and you really enjoy it and you want to go ahead and share it with a friend or family member. How do you actually go ahead and refer a friend with DoorDash? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the DoorDash app. Next, you're going to click on Me on the bottom right-hand corner. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Rewards, which is located on the right-hand side of the buttons. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Settings, which is located beneath Orders and Profile. Then afterwards, from time to time, DoorDash's referral bonuses tend to keep changing. But underneath gift card, you can see that there's a refer friends get $5. Click on this and then you'll be able to share your link. So this link that you see right here is what you can send to your friends and family member so that they get $5 off. Now, with that being said, again, DoorDash's referral program tends to change from time to time. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and refer a friend with DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.